Hello guys, Pavel here. Welcome to another quick video tutorial. Today I would like to show you how we can quickly rearrange windows, split the screen so to speak on Mac computers. So, a nice areas to work with are created. Let's say you want to do a few things in different windows, it can be really helpful. Normally you'd have to do these things manually, so you'd have to open, the windows and readjust it. It's really not very efficient. It takes a little bit of time, but there is a much better way. I will just show you quickly. So if I want to put this window on the top, just one keystroke and it fits perfectly. So how to achieve that? Basically this functionality is not built with in Mac computers. You need to download an app. So first you need to go to App Store and look for an app called Magnet. Here is this the blue one. It's not free of charge. You need to pay, but it's really low price. I think it's around $1. So it's a really good buy. It's got good reviews, and as you can see, it helps a lot, speeds up the working process. So once you buy it and download it, just make sure that you go to system preferences, security and privacy tab, and look for Magnet. Basically this checkbox needs to be checked. You are allowing basically Magnet to control your computer. If it's not, just open this padlock and type your password and check it and close the padlock again. So once you do this, you will notice on top of the window like a little icon. I actually need to open one of the windows to see. So with the window open, you want to readjust. Basically you click here and you choose the location, the preferred location from this menu. So let's say you want to have it full screen or put in the top left corner. You can do anything you like. It is good, but I think it may be even better if you use keystrokes and shortcuts. So I will show you the ones that I use the most. Maybe one more thing. On the right hand side you've got these shortcuts listed, so you can easily remember them, and you can actually define your own by clicking on preferences and clicking here, and you can type in any combination you like, but I think the default one is quite nice. So I will show you the few ones I use the most, and maybe you will remember better. So first you need to press Control and Option key on your keyboard. If you press Enter, that needs to be active. So if you press Enter, that goes to full screen, and then arrow keys left, up, right and down. You will put it in the areas, and you can also use the corner. So again, these two keys, Control and Option, and U, I, K, J. And I also use 2/3 and 1/3. So E, D, and T and G. Sometimes you can use F as well, but my monitor is not very large, so I don't use it so often. So basically, as I said, you need to have window activated, and you can put it whenever you like. So that's all really for today. I hope you have found it useful. Please let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions, or maybe another app that is similar. I will check this out, and please subscribe to the channel for more useful Mac tutorials, but also other tutorials as well. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye bye.